Kawasaki Zx10R, every super sport fan's favorite bike, right? So excited to see 2021 10R how it looks. Today I'm wearing my favorite boots. And then Kawasaki, that's where I'm heading. Jogeshwari, 4 o'clock they're launching the new ZX10R. Too excited for it. Inline 4, super sport. Who doesn't like that motorcycle? I have actually not seen the 2021 model. I've not even googled it, because most of the moto junkies Google it and research a bit about it. I've not done that, and that's why it's called a blind date. I want to see how it looks now and what are the changes.
Going to Mr. Vicky Jai Singh and Mr. Siddharth. He has taken the black and he has taken the KRT edition.
A heartiest congratulations to these gentlemen for buying the first 2021 Kawasaki ZX10R, and can see that smile behind that mask to rip it hard on the roads of Mumbai. I wish them all the RPM with Godspeed. Now the pricing is bang on for the buck you spend. 200 horses at 13,500 RPM. The new look is definitely appealing as it leans a bit towards the H2 with that single intake looking dope as hell. The feel of ducking down on this motorcycle is right now showing me the white stripes on the highway. Eyes get mesmerizing LED setups giving a bit of a mean look which was not there in the previous model. Monster is a 998cc 4-stroke inline 4 motor. Comparing to the previous model, it does have some upscaled power. New graphics also make this 10R turn heads, currently available in 2 colors as shown in my video. I can imagine the track guys scrambling this bike as this sitting posture is just made for it, especially with a high mounted visor for better aerodynamics. I was quite lost at this moment, can't wait to do a ride video, and now it's time to hear the exhaust note. Transformer look looks aggressive and does get a small LED on the front fulfilling the norms. By the way, me no like. Okay, moving on the headlights are decent and the switches are really giving a premium feel. Now it comes with 5 riding modes, auto blipper, quick shifter, cruise control, launch control, traction control, engine braking control and corner management. Rest of the details are available on the website for your easy reference. Instrument cluster is decent, not its best though, however has all the easy operations available on the go. The bike is sharp looking with a 70-litre tank, 835mm of seat height which is decent, single seat with a dummy seat, can be planned as aftermarket. The tires 120/70 in front and 190/55 at the rear. Looks fine for me, but for a track rider, he would definitely replace them. Showa shocks, Brembo brakes, 330mm dual disc in front with 4 piston calipers. Now that's a happy marriage, right? .43mm inverted adjustable forks, rebound and compression available. The rear shocks get 114mm horizontal backlink adjustable as per your ride choice. Well, overall the design flow is beautiful and screams really loud super sport. Ensure the airflow system is well managed on this motorcycle. Well, this was it folks. I had a blast spending some time with these bikes. Hope to ride soon and make a nice video for you guys. See you soon with a new one.